Why does every AI design tool make me look like an amateur? Whether you're running a local restaurant that needs professional menu designs and social posts, a marketing agency juggling 20 client accounts, a business owner who can't afford $500 per social media post, or an entrepreneur trying to launch your brand without breaking the bank, you've probably tried AI design tools promising professional results in minutes. And you've probably been disappointed. The images look decent until you see the details in text. Blurry, broken, completely unprofessional. The kind of text that makes your customers think this business used free software instead of this is a company I can trust every single time. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's finally an AI design tool that solves the biggest problem plaguing every other platform? Perfect, crystal clear text that looks like it was created by a professional designer. Not broken, not blurry, not amateurish. Professional grade typography that rivals $500 per design freelancers. Hi, I'm Firas Alameh. And over the past 13 months, my team and I have been obsessed with one mission: creating the first AI design platform that businesses can actually use professionally. We've tested every major AI design tool on the market: Midjourney, DALLE, Canva AI, Adobe Firefly. They all have the same fatal flaw. The text looks terrible. The details are flawed. You'll need to rewrite your prompt a million times to generate the design that you want. Here's what's happening. Every day, millions of business owners, freelancers, and agencies try to use AI for design work. And every day, they run into the same wall. The AI creates beautiful images with text that screams, "I used free software." This isn't just annoying, it's business killing. Clients won't pay premium prices for amateur-looking designs. Customers won't buy from brands that look unprofessional. Your reputation suffers every time you present broken AI text. So, what are people doing about this? Option 1. They hire expensive designers at $50 to $500 per design. Problem: expensive and slow. Option 2. They use basic design tools like Canva. Problem: limited and template heavy. Option 3. They accept broken AI text and hope clients don't notice. Problem: destroys credibility and limits pricing. Option 4. They spend hours manually fixing AI text in Photoshop. Problem: time-consuming and requires technical skills. None of these solutions actually solves the core problem. That's why we spent 18 months developing something completely different. Introducing FlaxxaStudio, the first AI design platform with our breakthrough perfect text engine. Finally, AI-generated text that looks professional, scales perfectly, and never breaks. But that's just the beginning. Here's what makes FlaxxaStudio different. Perfect text engine, vector text overlay technology that creates crystal clear typography at any size. Industry-specific workflows, purpose-built tools for e-commerce, social media, print on demand, agencies, and more. One design, every platform. Create once, automatically resize for Instagram, Facebook, Amazon, Pinterest, and more. Professional quality control, built-in guardrails that automatically reject broken outputs before you see them. Character Vault, create consistent brand mascots and reuse them across unlimited projects. Background editor, remove, replace, and relight backgrounds with automatic shadow matching. E-commerce, powerhouse, generate Amazon-ready product shots, lifestyle scenes, and marketplace listings. Storybook creator, turn scripts into illustrated books with consistent characters across every page. Mockup generator, instantly create product mockups for t-shirts, mugs, books, and more. Batch processing, upload a CSV and generate hundreds of designs automatically. Brand kit manager, store your colors, fonts, and logos for one-click brand consistency. Since launching our beta 6 months ago, we've helped e-commerce sellers create professional product listings without hiring photographers. Social media managers generate months of content in hours instead of days. Print-on-demand entrepreneurs design entire product catalogs with perfect mockups. Freelance designers increase their output 10 times while maintaining quality. Local businesses create professional marketing materials without design experience. The difference? Perfect text that actually looks professional. Let me show you what this looks like in action. Broken AI text versus perfect text. Social media creation. Watch Flaxxa create perfect design with crisp text, e-commerce product shot. Now I know what you're thinking. I've tried AI design tools before, and they disappointed me. FlaxxaStudio isn't like those tools. We've solved the biggest problem that makes others unusable for business. Here's the truth about the design industry. Professional design costs are rising. Good freelancers are charging $100 to $500+ per design. AI design is getting mainstream attention, but most tools still produce amateur results. FlaxxaStudio gives you a 2 to 3 year head start before everyone figures out how to create professional AI designs. The businesses using this now are building competitive advantages, while others struggle with broken text and expensive freelancers. Normally, to get features like FlaxxaStudio, you'd need professional designer, $200 to $500 per design, multiple software subscriptions, $300+ per month, time learning complex tools, hundreds of hours. That's $3,000 plus per month minimum for professional design capability. But because this is a limited launch offer, you can get FlaxxaStudio today for just a small one-time fee. Not per month, one time. I'm so confident FlaxxaStudio will transform your design capabilities. I'm offering a 14-day money-back guarantee. Use it for a full month. Create professional designs. See the difference Perfect Text Engine makes. If you're not completely satisfied, just email us and we'll refund every penny. This special launch price is only available during our initial release. Once we move to regular pricing, FlaxxaStudio will cost $97 per month. Why the low launch price? We want to get this in the hands of serious business owners who will actually use it and provide feedback. But this price won't last long. Look, you have two choices. Choice 1, keep struggling with expensive designers, broken AI text, and amateur-looking designs that hurt your business. Choice 2, get FlaxxaStudio today for $47 and start creating professional designs that actually help you make money. The difference between amateur AI and professional AI design isn't just visual, it's financial. Professional designs command higher prices, build trust with customers, and grow businesses. Amateur designs do the opposite. Click the button below to get FlaxxaStudio for $47 before this launch price expires. Your business deserves professional quality designs. Now you can create them yourself. Remember, this is a one-time payment for software that replaces thousands of dollars in design costs. The Perfect Text Engine alone is worth 10 times this price. This launch pricing ends soon. Don't come back tomorrow and find out you missed the discounted price forever. Get FlaxxaStudio now.